one of the great features that we put in this home, designed right into it, is we designed it for the zombie apocalypse. You're probably going, what am I talking about? I mean, if there is a zombie apocalypse, what's behind that door right there is gonna be amazing. That is a killer pantry. Ready for the zombie apocalypse, man. You can stock up. You're gonna be ready. The second feature I wanted to show you in this home is we built this plan as a master suite with a snooze button built in. You might be wondering, what is a snooze button? Well, a snooze button is, you ever have those mornings where you and your significant others, you wake up at different times in the morning and one of you wants to be able to sleep in? Well, the idea here is that one of you gets up and you go this way and the other one can keep sleeping. And the really cool thing that happens is now I can close these doors and the sound and the movement goes away. Once you come into the master bath, then you can get the shave, the shower, everything you need to do to get ready in the morning, and you're not waking the other person up because the light is cut off by the doors, the sound is cut off. You can come in through here, get ready, come in, get your clothes for the day, get dressed in this master, beautiful walk-in closet. And then as you're going out, if you have dirty laundry that needs to be thrown in the laundry's right here on the left-hand side as you come through the master closet door. And then it's time to go ahead and get to work, so you can leave and go out this way without ever walking back through that master bedroom a second time. So that's why we call it a master suite with a snooze button built in. So one of the things I wanted to mention to you is the incredible incentive that we're running right now. We have never in the history of Shaw Homes had a better incentive. Right now on this home, we're giving a $40,000 incentive. Now, there's a couple different ways you could use it, but if you want to use it to buy down your interest rate, you would literally take this home from the price that it is right now, and you would put a payment on it that would be below a home that is $100,000 less. Literally, your payment would drop as if you were buying a home that was $100,000 less than this home is currently priced. So right now, this incentive is the best it's ever been, and if you call today, we can get you into this home.